Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle once again here in Albany, Georgia. And guys, today I want to introduce to you for the first time initially on my channel an opportunity that has come to me that I realize it's for the masses. It's not just for the select few, it's not for the elite, it's not for people that have money, it's not for people that have a certain skill set already embedded into their portfolio, but for someone that's thinking brand new that can actually step in, follow everyday daily tasks like clockwork and start to see results. Well guys, I'm talking about a SSM opportunity. It's the Successful Solution Method. Now this method was created by a young lady. Her name is Amanda Ray, and she is awesome. For the last couple of years I've been able to speak to her briefly and intently with other opportunities, and I've seen this woman grow phenomenally, and to the point where she has gotten to an area in her life where she realized, you know what, I need to simplify things. I need to make sure that I can do something that's going to help the masses, not just an elect few. Well guys, she's been on this platform a little over 5 years, and she has mastered it down to a science. She's been able to take certain things, tweak them, make sure that they're on alignment for success. Now guys, what I want to tell you is this particular platform, Successful Solutions Method, is a simplified platform. It is something that anybody and everybody can do. Just imagine being on Facebook and you're talking and you're scrolling and you're fraternizing with those close friends of yours, or you're even scrolling and you're talking to other like-minded individuals that are interested in coming into the network marketing space. But guess what? Everybody runs into a little bit of a problem trying to figure out, how do we get into that place? How do we successfully start building up a momentum so that they can find success too? Well guys, she has the answer through SSM. SSM allows you to be able to take daily tasks one by one and infuse them in an orderly fashion chronologically for just an hour or so out of your time on a daily basis and see some fantastic results. Well guys, I want to tell you something. I jumped into SSM. I have not been in there a full month, but in a couple of weeks I've been able to earn a couple of $100 myself. Now I'm doing more of the learning part, because I will tell you, and initially Facebook, I was just trying to connect with my people, love on them, show them their support with whatever business that they were actually in. But she has been able to take this platform and teach anyone, no matter what business that you're in, no matter what niche that you're in. She's been able to teach you how to do daily tasks so that you can see those analytical and most gratifying rewards in any chosen niche that you're in. SSM itself is a business in itself. You're rewarded for those simple daily tasks that you do every single day. But not only are you rewarded monetarily, guys, you're rewarded with the gratification of learning the module of education that will teach you how to engage more frequently, how to engage more responsively with your social media platform. Now, what platform are we using? You name it, we're using Facebook. But guess what? There's just not power in Facebook. The way she teaches you, you will use Facebook. You will use a medium that is exploding, because in this element, in this environment that we're experiencing right now, you already know there's people climbing over one another, trying to find something that they can do to stimulate them and their families' lives. Why not use SFM? Why not use Successful Solution Method? Amanda has come up with something so phenomenal that anybody can step in. We have all walks of life. We have newbies, we have intermediate, we have the advanced. It does not matter. You will learn how to take simple daily tasks every single day that you implement, and see how your Facebook profile, see how your Facebook page, see how your engagement will improve. And with that engagement, you will see success that you're looking for. Well, we all know that when you help one another, you can't help but help yourself. And that's what this young lady has put into play. She realized that the masses needed something powerful like this, and she's willing to show you step by step how to do this in an orderly fashion, meticulously, so that you can see the results in as soon as you get it fashion. Now, I'm not saying that you'll earn right away that day, but the possibilities are there. And let me inject the income disclaimer. No one should be saying exactly how much anyone should be making or could be making that day. But I promise you, by using her simple step-by-step solutions, I promise you, you will see the rewards. It's all about consistency. She knows the value of implementing on a daily basis, and she knows the definition of consistency. She teaches it, and not only does she teach it, she preaches it. So I will tell you, this is a solid platform that you can embrace. So definitely, please go ahead and join us. Hit that subscribe button so that you'll see each time that I upload a video. Not only that, drop me some likes and some comments. I'd like to hear what you have to think about what SSM means to you. Not only that, not kidding, but guys, there's a link in the description that's going to show you how you can step into SSM too. So I'm looking for your success. We welcome you to SSM, and I assure you, Amanda is waiting to give you a successful boost in life. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Definitely leave me some likes and comments. And I look forward to see you in our Successful Solution Method opportunity. Bye for now.